get one of these for inside Wanda.
You should see how it feels on your head. Yeah, there it is. Ah. So we are at the Blue Heron French Cheese Company.
Boondocking.
That's right, this is a harvest host, and it's got all kinds of quirky little things here. Check it out. There's like this old train, and over here there's a bunch of old like logging trucks.
There's a double-decker.
Yeah, it looks like a steam engine boat.
Yeah, that's rustic.
Back in the day, that's some old stuff.
That's rustic.
That's like Huck Finn stuff. Anyway, so we're gonna go over into the cheese company and have some lunch and just kind of check it out. Yeah, it looks like a petting zoo here, and yeah, this place is kind of cool.
It smells like cows.
And it's free because it's harvest host, and they let us stay 2 nights here. So we're gonna go inside and check out the restaurant and see what kind of food they got. You excited?
Sure.
All right, let's go check it out. So we thought we were going to be in a restaurant here, but actually it's just a deli and gift shop.
And a gift shop. Look at this. This is like really pretty. It makes me want to need a cane. And they also have it in champagne,
Wow.
silver, and red. This is really pretty.
I think Amy might be using a cane from now on. We got all kinds of
Sorry.
all kinds of jams and wine tasting over here.
That's hilarious.
And it looks like we have wine tasting right over here. Very cool. So I was wrong. Apparently there is a dining room here. And you can order your food hot or cold up at the counter. Then you got to go pay up at the front, but then they also have all kinds of coolers of beers and all kinds of stuff. So you can either eat in your RV or right here. So we've chosen to eat here in this cute little room since COVID seems to be at least over for the most part as far as seating and wearing masks. We are taking advantage of every opportunity we can be inside and not have to wear a mask. So we're going to stay inside right now and have our lunch and then walk around the grounds and check it out. So what we have here on the property of the Blue Heron French Cheese Company is their little petting zoo, which is kind of cool, I guess. You know, if you got kids and you want to burn some time up, but it does kind of stink. Over here, what we have is we have all these really cool antique farming equipment that's just kind of sitting out here on display. A lot of it's really old, but check out this train. It's kind of cool. It's like a little train. It almost looks like a train that they would drive around the property, kind of do hay rides on, because it's really, really small. So I don't really know what the history behind this train is, but yeah, it's pretty cool. What you can see over here too, this is the parking lot for the harvest host. This is where you get to stay for free. Like most harvest hosts, as you can tell, it is dry camping. This particular spot doesn't really provide anything but a semi-level place to park with a cool view. We have, however, been to harvest hosts where they have provided us with a 15 amp extension cord, so we can at least have enough power to watch some TV if we want. Now it's time for us to head over to the famous Tillamook Cheese Factory. It's an old factory that kind of has a walk-through, self-guided tour, and you get to see how the cheese is made. You get to look at the history of the facility, and you can also go to the gift shop and buy, swag. And then there's a super long line for their Tillamook ice cream.
We should get one of these for inside Wanda.
You should see how it feels on your head. Yeah, there it is. We were out checking out Tillamook, and we wandered by this Pioneer Museum. So we're gonna go in and check it out.
Yeah, it looks like this was originally their county courthouse. 1905 to 1932. I just memorized that.
Wow. All right, let's go check it out. What a lovely room of death.
It's somebody's collection.
Look at that monkey or a baboon or something up there. Look at this guy.
There's a baboon.
I don't think everything in this room is from Oregon. Unless there's giant emperor penguins that live somewhere here. I don't know. Oh, look at this. Eggs. Eggs. What an interesting exhibit.
So